WTF? Welcome back to Whiskey, Today's Fact. I thought we'd revisit the idea of packaging one more time, and I remember a WTF where we cycled through many different examples of distillery factory packaging. And here's another one from Spey and their Chairman's Choice. And they've given us a scroll, they've given us places to put everything, and it's nice. Right? But sometimes you've come across a bottle that doesn't have the packaging it deserves. And maybe you have a wood shop or you have friends. I happen to have both. So I created this packaging for the 1938 White Horse. It's deserving of this nice oak box. And maybe you have a friend who also has a wood shop and knows you have so many Glencairn glasses and it needs a rack. So, use your own imagination, access your friends, and create your own environment for your whiskey. And that's Whiskey, Today's Fact, the water of life.